Hi, so I want to share with you guys what I'm gonna do with my hair. This time I did a braid out. I washed my hair with the regular shampoo. I think I used Cream of Nature again. Or no, I used the argan oil shampoo and conditioner. I just did that quickly in the shower, and then I blow dried it. Actually, I did a blow dried it, and then I did a braid out. I used the Aura S oil, like the moisturizer that I used in my last video, and I went over that with some regular virgin olive oil, and I did about four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, and then I just braided it out. I slept with it, and then I braided it out overnight, and this is like what it looks like. And in case you're wondering, I just did my makeup because I wanted to take some pictures for Instagram. So if you want to go and find out like what's up with my Instagram, please visit there. I'll put the link down below. But yeah, so for my hair, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, because for some reason, like, this side of my hair like is thicker than this side, and it's also like a little bit longer. You can probably tell like on camera. So because I do feel like I want it to be even, I want this side to be like a little just as thick as this side. What, instead of like ordering like a whole bunch of hair, I have like my HerGivenHair, like the blowout one that I have. Since my hair is blown out, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weave in like a couple, maybe 1 or 2 layers only on this side. I'm thinking I'm just gonna weave like 1 row here and then 1 row like right here, like tonight when I'm about to go to bed. And then I'm gonna cut it, like, you know, I'm gonna measure it and make sure that it's like the same length as my real hair. And then I'm going to just do the braid out just like I did the night before, and see if that will like even both sides up. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully this side will look as thick as this side. And yeah, so I'm gonna come back and show you the end results. So give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. All right, so this is later that night, and I'm just showing you right here. I did the weave. I weaved in 2 tracks on that side, and I'm just putting in the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture so that I can do my braid out. This time I did it a little bit different. I added the spray, the leave-in spray by Cream of Nature, in addition to the Shea Moisture, and that's the results. Hi, so it's the next day, and I'm gonna take out my braids just to update you guys. Let you see how it turned out. So I'm gonna start with this side. So as you remember, this is the side that I added the HerGivenHair clip-in. So weave. I added 1 row here and then 1 row here because I wanted it to be as thick as this side. So I'm looking at it now, and I think I'm probably gonna have to cut a little bit here. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm just gonna kind of pull them out a little bit. I like how the front is looking, and this looks like good, well defined. I added a good amount of moisturizer, and I braided it like tight enough so that it would take and it would like set in that braid pattern. Let me turn around before I undo everything. This is like how it's looking. Okay, so let me just continue to take everything out. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this because it's definitely too long. You can see it's just not correct. So I'm quite certain that this is definitely the HerGivenHair. So I'm just gonna cut it like at an angle. And again over here. And I'm gonna cut this piece too. So they do have the like the 4C, 4B clip-ins or weave hair that I think would probably match a bit better, but this is not too bad because I only added 2 rows. So next time I think I will probably try out the 4C, 4B hair clip-ins if I'm gonna do something like this. The top, kind of want this to be not the line. I don't want the line to be like so far back, so I'm gonna try and blend that. Yeah, I think the key to doing like braid outs and twists up. So I think the key to doing braid outs and twist outs is having like a really good, well-conditioned, clean, well-moisturized hair, just to keep the hair in a state of moisture so it won't easily break off. Okay, so here I'm just gonna turn around and show you the back. That's the side where is my regular hair, and that's the back, and then this is the area where I added the weave. And yeah, so I hope you got a good view, and I'm just gonna let you know how I feel about it. So yeah, that's the side where I added the tracks to it. So I think there's a pretty good match. The weave has a bit more luster than my natural hair. I don't think, okay, so that's it. I think that it blends really, really good. I don't think you would ever even be able to know that I even have any hair pieces in here because it looks really, really natural. However, I would definitely recommend getting the 4C 4B hair by HerGivenHair. I think it would look even more natural, more seamless, and you could do more styles with it. But this is good for now. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to hear more from me, hairstyles, makeup, things of that nature. I will be coming out with some more videos. But yeah, I think, yeah, this looks good. I like it. It's a great 4C natural hairstyle, you know, braid out that I think I'm going to keep for, who knows me. I like to switch up my looks so much, but I think I will keep it for the next few days. And then you never know what I'll end up doing. But yeah, so keep in touch, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.